Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Did you guys miss out on Bitcoin's big rally that we got in the last 3 months? I know a lot of you guys might be missing the opportunity and wish you could go back. Well, I do have a very good opportunity that is still building up, and this could be your chance to get in early. And the thing that I'm talking about is green Bitcoin. Now, if you have not heard of it yet, well, let me tell you about it. Green Bitcoin is the future of predict to earn. Huge early rewards. So green introduces pretty much gamified green staking, allowing for rewards up to 100% token bonuses, and new challenges are live every week. What is really cool about this is their pre-sale is happening as we speak. Now all you simply have to do, if you do want to purchase it, you can simply just connect your wallet, put in the Ethereum, and you will be getting your GBTC. Now, one Ethereum at the time when I'm making this video is about 4,500, but the price will be going up in about 4 days. Also, if you do not know anything about this token, well, let me tell you, right now in total, 4.6 million have already been staked, so 63%. The award per year right now, or per annum, is 126%, and the total reward is 1.1 million. So green is pretty much the crypto that introduces a new concept of green staking, and pretty much you get the token, you stake it, you predict the Bitcoin price, staking period is over, and you claim it. If you get it right, well, you're going to be making a lot of money. That's all I can say. They have been featured on some big names, as you guys can see, and at the same time the ecosystem is much better than anything other. Bitcoin Cash, you can see, compared to that, proof of stake is what they're using compared to proof of work. Proof of stake is a little bit better. Also, the energy required to be able to get one of these is very low. The reward, yes, and also this is a store of value. And then gamification, that is the new thing. Did you miss the Bitcoin's massive rise? Well, this is your second chance. Pretty much stake, earn even more. Weekly Bitcoin price prediction challenges offer reward for both you and the planet, and this is how their tokenomics is for the token right now. 50% is in the pre-sale, which you can purchase right now. 20% is for the reward staking, so pretty much anyone who gets the reward so need to pay the APR. Now marketing is going to be 12%, so you know the token is able to increase in price over time. The liquidity is 7%, and the community rewards that they will be paying out is the 10% of the token. Now green Bitcoin's roadmap pre-launch is happening right now. Staking and predictions are going to go live after that. The token release will be happening. It will first be hitting Ethereum, but they do have plans on going other places. Earn rewards and build community, and as they build it, obviously this will be going up even faster. How to join it? You simply just need to get your share in the pre-sale. Once the pre-sale is concluded, you will be able to claim your token either on the claim date or 7 days later if your tokens are staked. And keep in mind, if you do stake them, you will be getting a certain amount of return every single day, so you do not have to worry. Now, how to buy it? Well, simply use your Ethereum or the USDT and you can purchase it. What is it? Well, simply allows holders to be able to make predictions and get it right. If they get it right, well, it's going to be very good. How do you contact the team? Well, if you have any questions, you can contact them on social medias, and there's many other ways to simply get in contact with them. Personally, I feel like this token has so much potential, and personally, I love getting into anything that's in pre-sale at the start. Now, if we talk about their, social media, the social media is quite active with 10,000 followers on Twitter, and they are also verified, so they have, gotten their stuff done. Green Bitcoin raises 3.2 million while Bitcoin breaks through the 70k. So you can see 3.2 million. It's actually getting to 3.8 million now. Just keep in mind, this token has so much potential yet to happen. Soon as it is launched, I personally feel like that's going to be already the key driving factor. Soon as it is launched, there will be some big things that will be happening because so many big people are also allowing this token right now. Also, their subscribers on Telegram right now is 2,700. So they're trying to build the community as much as possible and trying to get their promotions done as well. Once this token is released, that's going to be very driving factor of how this token is going to play out. If you do want to buy it, the link will be in the description. Also, do your own research. This is just to give you guys an idea in terms of how you can make money while the whole market is climbing. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.